Hi there and welcome again. This is the first tutorial in your C++ programming series. In this video we're gonna just focus on installing the CodeBlocks program. So we have to go and open our browser and type in code : block. Alright, and just hit enter, and we should go right here and type, just click on that. Alright, we have to enter that site, and then this page appears. Alright, so we have to go to downloads. It's super easy. Alright, there is too many ways to download programs that run C++ language, as Visual Studio or Dev C++ or CodeBlocks. Alright, so we have to click on download, and a new page appears. Of course, it is the downloads page, which is right in here. Download the binary release, download the Unity build, Debian reposing, download the source code. We are going to click on download the binary release. Alright, so there is a bunch of choices here for Windows XP, Vista 7, 8 and 10, and also for Linux. Like 32-byte and 64-byte, and also there is a Mac OS X version. Alright, so I am running a Windows 7, so I have to be installing these right here. Alright, so now we get a little bit confused. Alright, so we have the CodeBlock 16.01 version. Probably when you're watching this video is gonna be a lot, a newer version than that. So yeah, there is a setup.x executable, right, and the setup non-admin, the no setup zip, and mingw setup, right? So yeah, what should we choose? Alright, so setup executable, this is without the compiler. Alright, the compiler is basically a black window who shows us the result of our program. So we might need, we certainly need the compiler. Alright, so we may see our results. So yeah, and the second one, I don't know what really does mean, non-admin, honestly. So yeah, and the mingw setup is the one that has the ability to show us the result of our work. So yeah, we have to be downloading this one, and yeah, so we have dot executable file and .zip file. Alright, so I'm gonna go download that zip file because it's gonna be compressed and it's pretty safe. Alright, and we have to choose between those two, SourceForge.net and FuzzHub. Alright, so when I downloaded it, I chose FuzzHub. Alright, because there were some problems in my local internet with that code, and we are seeing that the file that should be downloaded is already downloading, but I'm going to cancel that because I have already downloaded it, and there it is. Once we download our zip file, we have to just click on the right button of your mouse, and and click extract here. It's gonna be extracting files, and we should wait for that a little bit. And it's finished. Yeah, it's a whole bunch of DLL files and 2 folders right here, and we've got the CB launcher, which means CodeBlock launcher, right, and CodeBlocks. So you gotta pick up between these two, and probably I would prefer that. Alright, CodeBlocks. Double click on that, and this little window appears, like it's a brand or something like that. Yeah. It is going to be launched. So yeah, probably I have installed it before. I guess there is some installing procedures or not. I can't remember honestly, because I have been coding with this for for a while now, and yeah, I'm not pretty sure if there were an installing procedure, and I'm sure if there were, it's gonna be it is actually easy. All right, it is good easy. You just have to click next and finish. And now we are on the code block window, right? So there is a little box here which has the following options: create a new project. Sorry for that window, guys. Create a new project, open an existing file, project, tip of the day and everything like that. Alright, so we are going to be creating a new project for our first impressions. So yeah, we have to choose these options: MATLAB project and everything. Alright, so we want a simple program, so we are going to choose this one. Alright, console application. Alright, so we are going to click just one. Even when we hit the categories we put there on the console, we find this option. Alright, so we are the console. The console is our PC and our compiler and everything like that. Alright, so we're gonna click on this and hit go. Of course, we are going to choose C++ and next. We're gonna give our project a name, and for example, first tutorial, right? Next, for example, and this is the compiler. Make sure that you are hitting the GNU GCC compiler. All right, don't choose any other compilers than that, and click finished. And our first file has been created, and we should go to sources right here, project. There is files, but we are going to go to, yeah, we are going to scroll back and scroll back. We're gonna hit project. All right, so when we show what's the content of sources, we're gonna find the mains.cpp. Guys, CPP means C++. All right, this is the the end of a file which is running a C++ program. All right, so we're gonna double click on that, and the first program appears. All right, this is the first program. I know it's pretty weird. What the heck is this? All right, there's lines, there is hashes, semicolons. I don't know what that. What is even this? All right, so don't worry, guys. We are going to run this. We are going to learn too many stuff in this tutorial, and yeah, we'll basically give you a hint. This is a simple program to run, or to to show us this message, hello world. All right, so we are going to compile that, build and run that, and yeah, I know this is a pretty messy stuff, but we are going to get to that little by little. All right, when we hit that, just to show you a couple of things, when we hit build and run, just to show you the compiler, and this is the black window that I was talking about. This is the compiler. This is the window that shows us the results of our program, and our results is hello world. Process returns 0, which means there is no problems. I'm gonna talk to that later, of course. Execution time. This is the execution time that took my PC to compile this and show us the result. Press any key to continue. I'm gonna press enter. Most guys do that, and boom. Alright, thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I hope I was helpful for you. And if you don't like this, this application, you can check dev C++, or maybe for more memory in your hard drive, let me remember the name. The Visual Studio, right? Visual Studio. All right. So we have a couple of options. Probably we will have a couple of other options. All right, for your application for running C++ program. Anyway, I'm not going to be make you wait too long. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and stick on for the next tutorials to like get to know this language, and hopefully you like it, because this is the main and the base of programming. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials and for more programming language tutorials. Thank you guys, and peace.